So you're thinking about moving to Michigan, but you've heard that a lot of people are leaving the state. In fact, Michigan is ranked as one of the top 5 states with the most people moving out. But why is that happening? Is Michigan really that bad? Or is there more to the story? Today, we're breaking down the real reasons people are packing up and heading out, plus why others are still choosing to move here. So, before you make your decision, stick around. This might change how you see Michigan. Hey there, if we haven't met yet, I'm Holly Amato, Michigan real estate expert. I make videos about everything you need to know about living in Michigan, whether you're moving in or out. If that sounds good to you, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to tap the bell so you never miss any new videos about life in Michigan. Now, let's get into it. One of the biggest reasons people are leaving Michigan, jobs. But here's the twist. It's also one of the biggest reasons people move here. Michigan has major industries like automotive, healthcare, and higher education, bringing in a lot of talent. But at the same time, many of these jobs have opportunities elsewhere. For example, if you work in automotive engineering, your skills are in demand worldwide. California, Germany, even China. Same goes for healthcare professionals who move out for specialized roles or hospital systems that match their expertise. So, it's not that Michigan lacks jobs. It's that people outgrow their opportunities here and find bigger ones elsewhere. Another big reason people leave, cost of living expectations. A lot of people assume Michigan is super cheap to live in. And yes, if you compare it to New York or California, that's true. But within Michigan, prices vary a lot. For example, the statewide average home price is around $240,000, but that includes rural areas. If you're looking in Birmingham, that's a median of $800,000. Northville, $450,000 to $500,000. Ann Arbor, $525,000. So people move here expecting affordable homes everywhere, only to realize the desirable areas still come at a premium. Now, let's talk taxes, because this is a big one. Michigan has 3 main taxes you need to know. State income tax, 4.05%. Yep, you're getting taxed on your paycheck. Property tax, about 1.38% of your home's value. Sales tax, 6%, though groceries are tax-free. If you're coming from a state like Florida, which has no state income tax, this can feel like a huge financial burden. That's why a lot of people, including retirees, decide to move somewhere with lower taxes. Michigan winters can be brutal. If you love skiing, snowboarding, or snowmobiling, you might love it here. But if you're someone who just wants to be warm, winter can feel never-ending. Between the gray skies, the slush, and the ice, the constant shoveling, it's no surprise that people eventually say, I'm done, and move somewhere warm like Florida, Arizona, or Texas. A huge chunk of the people leaving Michigan are retirees. Once people hit retirement age, many choose warmer states with lower taxes. And let's face it, if you're dealing with arthritis or other health issues, cold weather isn't your friend. In fact, 15% of people leaving Michigan are retirees headed to places like Florida, Tennessee, or the Carolinas. Michigan has amazing summers and fall colors, but winter really limits outdoor activities unless you're into winter sports. If you're a runner, biker, or hiker, winter can make it tough to enjoy the outdoors. And if you hate checking the weather every morning to decide what to wear, that gets old fast. Michigan is growing in tech and startups, but it's still not on the level of places like Silicon Valley or Austin, Texas. Ann Arbor and Detroit have huge potential, and they're attracting more entrepreneurs, but some people still move elsewhere for bigger opportunities. At the end of the day, Michigan isn't for everyone. If you like affordable homes, 4 seasons, and Great Lakes living, Michigan is an amazing place. But if you want warm weather, lower taxes, and year-round outdoor activities, you might be better off somewhere else. So, is Michigan really that bad? Not at all. But it all comes down to your lifestyle and what matters most to you. So what do you think? Is Michigan a great place to live? Or would you rather be somewhere else? Drop a comment down below with your thoughts. And if you're thinking about moving to or from Michigan, I'd love to help. Just reach out. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe for more videos about life in Michigan. I'm Holly Amato, and it's always more than a move. See you in the next one.